Okay, I hope you like the selling with the pictures, but now look here. There is also a description, guys. Description is a very big deal of success, and I will show you where the biggest confusion and the biggest mistakes dropshippers, kind of like dropshippers, are doing, but not my students. My students know what to do with the description. Watch the video. Good description, good sales. Excellent description, excellent sales. Why I do have mistake here? The spelling is wrong, right? So, excellent description, excellent sales. All right. So, guys, this was my weakest point at my first 2 years, because my first 2 years of dropshipping I was struggling with description, because what I did was what everybody else was teaching and what everybody else was doing, and I had almost the same results as everybody else. Well, actually I had a little bit better results, but anyway, the point is I was using Amazon's description. Okay, this is what I was using, just copy and paste. All right, but this is no, this is a big no. Okay, as soon as I started to make my own descriptions, all right, as soon as I started to make my own descriptions, I started to earn my own money, and this money is absolutely different. That's why I'm saying, guys, 30,000 per month to earn with eBay dropshipping, it's easy. There is no hard work, there is smart work. You have to know how to do this in a smart way. All right. So this is just an example. This is not completely perfect, but I'm just giving you example, because I still not showing you my exact description, but it's very close. Okay. There is no 120 sentences of description. No, you don't have to do this. All right, but just general information. And look, it goes like natural. It goes like human to human, not like this way, not like you're copying somewhere from AliExpress or somewhere else. This works for Amazon, and this is good. And we take description, this description we take as a basis. We can take out some sentences and just to tweak them a little bit and to copy them and stuff like this. But to make kind of like this description, it takes about 2-3 minutes. Okay. In a great deal, we go in my training with the description. I will not gonna spend here a great deal amount of time to just explain how to do this exactly, where we do this and how to make description. It's like copywriting or stuff like this. But this is easy. You got the idea. Do not copy paste. Okay, make your own. If you don't know how to make your own, I can teach you this as well, because it's actually simple. You just go to Amazon, find out on the feedbacks, on the questions there, and out of those sources, you just make your own nice, absolutely unique description. Okay, so this is about description. And remember, good description, good sales. If you make excellent description, unique description, you are gonna reap excellent or unique sales. That has been proven for me, and this is what I'm telling you right now. Don't be follower, be student. All right? See you on the next video.